Hello, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today class, I discuss about the fundamental of principle of microbiology. First is the introduction. Microbiology is the science of living organisms that are directly visible to the naked eye, but visible only under the microscope. Microbiology is the study of living organisms of microscopic size. This term was introduced by the French chemist Louis Pasteur in 1822 to 1905, who demonstrated that the fermentation was caused by the growth of bacteria and yeast. He is known as the father of microbiology. Medical microbiology deals with the causative agents of the infectious disease of man, the response generated by him against them, and various methods of diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. The term microbe was first used by the Sadilot in 1878, but now is commonly replaced by the microorganisms. Microorganisms like protozoa, fungi, bacteria, viruses are the smaller size and are not visible to the naked eye. Microorganisms can be seen with the light microscope except the viruses. Most viruses are the less than 0.2 micrometer, that is 4 micrometer in diameter, so they cannot be seen with the light microscope. Viruses can be seen with the electron microscope, and viruses lack a cellular structure and can replicate only within a living host cell. Therefore, they may be regarded as the components of their host rather than the microorganisms. Helminthes are the few microscopic and can cause the infection. Therefore, their study also falls under the microbiology. Infectious disease have been the bane of the mankind for the centuries and continue to cause the high morbidity and suffering the worldwide. Disease and death have always attracted the attention of the human mind. Microorganisms are beneficial and harmful to human body. Harmful microorganisms are also known as the pathogens, and pathogens are responsible for produce the disease. Next is the classification of the microorganisms. There are two types of classification of microorganisms. First is the protist, that is the eukaryotic algae, protozoa, fungi, slime mold, sometimes include in the fungi. Prokaryotes, that is the bacteria, cyanobacteria, archaebacteria. These all are the classification of the microorganism. Protists are the mostly unicellular, coenocytic, that is many nuclei per cell, and each cell capable of maintaining independent life. Algae are considered the plant-like because they contain the green pigment chlorophyll, carry out the photosynthesis, and have the rigid cell walls. These eukaryotes may be unicellular. In today's class, I discuss about the introduction of microbiology and their classification. Thank you.